Hi guys, it's Mandy. So I'm organizing and decluttering my entire home. I'm sharing all my dirty little secrets with you. But more importantly, I'm showing the easy steps that have helped me become more organized and clutter-free. Here is a sneak peek of what's coming up in my next video.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, babe.
I have so much to organize and declutter in my home that it took me a while to start because I was overwhelming myself thinking about everything that I had to do. So I decided to start small and focus on only one thing. So I broke my home up into sections, kitchen first, but I focused only on the junk drawers. It took me about 2 hours total to finish the project, and I was so happy with how it turned out that it kept me going, like I wanted to finish the rest of my house.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving.
I started by taking everything out of the drawer and putting them into two sections. One was what I wanted to keep in the drawer, like the tape, the pens, the pencils, paper to write on, and the other was what belonged somewhere else.
You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more like everything.
At one point I was getting kind of lazy and I felt like, okay, I should just throw this whole thing away because I haven't used it, in forever. But I'm so glad that I didn't and that I went through things one by one. I ended up finding some very special photos of my mom and my who have both passed away, as well as my kids' elk tooth teething bracelets. So I took those out and put them in their keepsake bins, which I thought they were already there. So yeah, make sure you're going through things before you just toss them.
Isn't there a remedy? Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Drugs and cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking. Saying bye.
So after I got done vacuuming and cleaning out this drawer, I thought, okay, now is the time to put in my contact paper so that I protect my drawers from spills or leaks. And I just didn't like this color. So I'm still living dangerously until I can find a contact paper that I like.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance.
Okay, so some of these things I might not even keep in here, so keep that in mind. I wished I would have done and emptied out both drawers at the same time, but since I didn't, I'm probably going to be doing some reorganizing. organization bins actually belong in our homeschool area. I had so many items in the drawers that were duplicates, and I didn't want to keep some here and some there, so I just put them all in the homeschool cabinet.
You've always felt like a part of you has gone missing. I know it's real, but I'm telling you, it's closer than you know. I'm really trying to keep it cool now. Don't you see that you're a fool? Oh, it's time to open your eyes and let go. Oh, oh. You got a lot of exes, but none of them know you better. The stories you've heard could be you.
Yep, it says day 3 on a 2-hour project. That's because I'm a single stay-at-home mom of 3 kids who are all being homeschooled, and my plate is kind of full at the moment, but I also know that I can get these projects done, and I don't try to stress myself out by getting it all done at one time. You know, I take breaks, and I suggest that for you as well if you are also busy, or if you work all day and come home and you're tired. Don't try to do a project, because if you force yourself to get it done all at one time, you're just going to be overwhelmed and you're not going to enjoy it as much. Try to make it fun.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest, but I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you.
Yep, I used to use shoe boxes to organize. I kind of still do. I use cardboard boxes from MAC Cosmetics because they're black, so I cut the lids off and I use it to organize my makeup. But you guys will be seeing that in a video that's coming soon, how I organize all my makeup. And I just want to tell you, if you're doing the same thing, that's okay. You don't have to go out and buy a bunch of fancy new expensive bins.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go.
I love this Bissell Steam Shot Cleaner. I seen it on Jamie's Journeys channel, and I will link her channel below because she shows you all the different ways that you can use it. It's amazing. You need it. Go get it now.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. I felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on it.
These are how my organized junk drawers look now. I love them. I'm super happy with how they turned out. And if you want to see how the rest of the kitchen ends up, then please make sure you come back later this week. I will have those videos up. In the left side, I kept paper, pens, pencils, chip clips, tape, glue, and some change for the pizza guy. And then on the right hand side, I kept like the electronics, batteries, my old cell phones, things that we would need, to charge, mostly my work stuff for my camera. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.